Hello, welcome to my class. Today we will learn a very important topic about the use of para, por, and porque. These three are very important when we have to frame a sentence, right? Starting with para. So, what we say, para, we use it with the unconjugated form of the verb. What we say it as? We say para comes with infinitivo. Infinitivo. If we talk about the por comes with sustantivo. Sustantivo. That means noun. And when we talk about the porque is used with the porque is used with conjugated verb. Conjugated verb. So I'll give you the example, like when we talk about para plus infinitivo. So the example could be like para व्याखार right? para व्याखार a la, suppose, right? Para व्याखार a la. So we are using the unconjugated form of the verb with para. Now if we talk about por, suppose, so we will say yo estudio español por last series. Por last series. So what we said? Por last series. Right? We are studying Spanish for the series. Then comes the porque. If we talk about the porque, we use the conjugated form verb. Suppose what we say? Porque quiere. Again we are using porque. So quiere is the conjugated form of the verb quiero. So quiere trabajar. Fine. So what we say? Trabajar is a verb, but these are the two verbs where quiere is the conjugated form of the verb. Fine. So this is the way we use para, por and porque. Thank you.